at that time you can say that that person is getting VRS, but मतलब the voluntary retirement. At that time, company is providing and even facilitate some certain or lump sum amount to that person. It is called VRS. That particular amount is there.
Anyone else? Extra benefits also apart from some monetary amount. What? And some non-monetary benefits also they are provided there apart from monetary rewards. But what's the voluntary retirement scheme for? Let's discuss this. If any person retire before its time, before its maturity time, that is the one aspect of that. With the passage of time and with the graduation, the people who are working in the company feel tired and they will not generate the same productivity as earlier. And sometimes it's like they are not ready to learn new technology. So to get them certain satisfaction and to get them certain level of benefits, company has to introduce certain schemes which is known as voluntary retirement scheme. The company will give the certain amounts which will as good as their salary of rest of their years of their job, and company will give it in advance, and they are supposed to take rest. She explained very excellently. She's excellent, and yes. As we have discussed yesterday, what is voluntary retirement scheme? Voluntary retirement scheme, it was first introduced in SBI. If you want to add something in your paper, that you can add this example. That is, it was first introduced in SBI. Why? It was a kind of government scheme. We also said that, but nowadays it was introduced in private sector also. This what happened is voluntary retirement scheme means कि जब I want to tell you this in Hindi so that you can easily understood. जब क्या होता है कि a person, it is related to the excess manpower. If in a company there is a excess manpower, बहुत सारे persons होते हैं, their productivity is not used by the company. Their eligibility, their what we say productivity itself is not used by company very efficiently at that time. अच्छे से यूज किया था हमारे प्रीवियस क्लासेस में, दैट कि वी शुड बी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर्स. अगर हम सेम है तो कंपनी क्या करेगी, हमको निकाल देगी. तो कुछ कंपनी एथिकल होती है फ्रॉम द पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू फ्रॉम ऑफ द एम्प्लॉयज, कुछ कंपनी एथिकल होती है. तो वो क्या उनमें से एक कंपनी ने क्या किया कि वो डायरेक्टली उन्होंने नहीं निकाला जो उनके लिए प्रोडक्टिव नहीं थे, तो उनके लिए उन्होंने डायरेक्टली नहीं निकाला. उन्होंने क्या किया, VRS स्कीम को इंट्रोड्यूस किया. उसमें क्या किया कि द पर्सन हु इज अप टू द एज ऑफ 60 इयर्स के आसपास के एज के हैं या जो ज़्यादा प्रोडक्टिव नहीं है, उनका टेन्योर चेक किया गया. इस बेस पर उनको VRS प्रोवाइड किया गया. VRS में क्या होता है कि दे प्रोवाइड certain kind of amount related to your salary with leaving the organization. वो organization को छोड़ देंगे और फिर वो उनको वही salary provide करेंगे even though they have leave the organization with certain incentives also which are provided by the organization to them. So are you all aware about the concept now? Yes. Okay, Bhargav, tell me what is VRS.
VRS is all about that a person can choose their facilitator about their 2 or 3 years. એટલે કોઈ પર્સન એ ચૂઝ કરી શકે છે કે જે જાણે કે 59 યર્સનો છે અને તેની 62 રિટાયરમેન્ટ થાય છે, તે 59 થી 62 તેના ઘરે બેસીને બી રહી શકે છે, બીકોઝ તેને VRS સ્કીમ અલાઉ કરે છે કે પ્રોવાઈડ થાય છે.
That is right. And one thing as I have said, तो I want to put certain point on that कि कंपनी क्या करती है, this kind of जो स्कीम है वो कुछ certain टाइम पीरियड के लिए स्टार्ट करती है. फर्स्ट सपोज कि 15 डेज के लिए, तो उस टाइम पीरियड में उनको मतलब ऐसा चॉइस कह देना है कि आई वांट टू लीव और आई वांट टू स्टे, दैट इज व्हाट. तो वो टाइम पीरियड के अंदर नहीं होगा, नॉट बियॉन्ड दैट कि सारे ईयर के लिए चल रही है कि जिसकी मर्जी आई और आगे बोल दिया कि मुझे VRS चाहिए तो उन्होंने दे दिया. ऐसा नहीं, कुछ सर्टेन टाइम पीरियड इन अ ईयर वो स्टार्ट करती है. उस टाइम पीरियड के अंदर में आपको बता देना है कि मुझे VRS चाहिए. तो दैट इज ऑल अबाउट द VRS. नाउ ड्यूरेशन ऑफ द VRS. there. First is for 15 days. That provides the less improvement for the organization. Suppose कि 15 days के लिए मैंने VRS निकाला और you are all are the employees of my organization. It is difficult for me as a company, as a board of director, as a manager to explain you the scheme above. अगर मैं अभी आप सबको बोल दूं कि भाई 15 दिन के अंदर आपको बता देना है कि जो पर्टिकुलर पर्सन है आप में से निकल जाना है, भले मैं आपको सैलरी प्रोवाइड करूंगी, तो यू वांट सर्टेन टाइम टू थिंक. So for the 15 days tenure, if VRS are provided by the company, so the performance of the company is not that much improved. But if the average is the average of duration of the VRS is taken as a 2 months or 1 month time in which this scheme was introduced so that the employees are able to understand about it. Understood this too, but and the best time that the company will open the scheme for is 3 months, so that the company is able to what we said, the company is able to वो अपने employees को मनवा सकती है कि ये VRS क्यों कर रहे हैं हम, और ताकि it is beneficial for the employees as well as for the employees or for the persons. Now you understand about the duration of the VRS. Okay. Now eligibility of VRS. Duration समझ में आया सबको यहाँ पे? If I ask you something about the VRS and the duration as a characteristics of VRS, then now you all are able to write or speak on that. Eligibility of VRS. Eligibility of VRS. What does we think कि eligibility क्या होनी चाहिए VRS की? As you all something know about the VRS, तो क्या होनी चाहिए eligibility?
Age criteria.
Yeah, that was right.
આપણે જે રિટાયરમેન્ટ થવાનું હોય તેની આજુબાજુના 3-4 વર્ષની એજ ઉપર આપણે રિટાયરમેન્ટ લઈ શકીએ. જાણે કે આપણે 52 છે તો આપણે 59 જે 58 છે ત્યાંથી લઈ શકીએ. હું જાણે કે 51 નું 62 ઉપરથી ડાયરેક્ટલી એટલું બધું VRS નો લીમી મળી શકે.
That means a person is born in the organization. मतलब कोई 1 वर्ष काम કર્યું હોય એને તો VRS ના આપી શકો. કોઈ વ્યક્તિ 5 વર્ષ અથવા 10 વર્ષ કામ કર્યું હોય તો એને VRS ની બેટર સ્કીમ આપી શકો.
Yeah, that was a nice point. You two also right. Anyone else? Okay, fine. Both the points which comes under the eligibility of VRS is covered by you all. That is, one thing is about that is age criteria. That minimum average age is considered as 35 years, and the age limit is between 30 years to 60 years. Agar any of the employees in the organization is between 30 years to 60 years, they can get the VRS. They are eligible for getting the VRS. If I am a person and my age is something about 25 or 26 years and I want a VRS, then the company will not able to provide me VRS because it is not under the criteria of getting the VRS. Now it is clear about it. Next point is about the time duration working in the organization. It was up to the 15 years. It was written in the I get from the internet, that is it is up to the 15 years. If a person is working from 5 to 15 years or more than that, then only he can get the VRS. Okay, मैंने अभी ज्वाइन किया है न्यूली और मैं अभी जाके बोल दूँ कि मुझे चाहिए VRS, तो वो मुझे VRS नहीं प्रोवाइड करने वाला. मैं कुछ टेन्योर के लिए वहाँ पे वर्क करूँगी. Even then only they will provide me VRS. Okay. Next is discretion to managers. Discretion to managers is they will ask to us. Even I am ready to accept it or I am ready to reject it. ऐसे ही नहीं मुझे प्रोवाइड कर देंगे कि these all are unproductive workers, so I will give them a VRS. Even though we are the unproductive workers, they ask if you want the VRS. These are the criteria of the VRS. You can accept it or you can reject it. It's based on the employees. Finally, and compensation. Compensation means the salary they provide to us is one of the part of the VRS, and the second is they give us certain incentives with it. For example, in the government job they provide us PS and certain that we have read, that all the compensation along with the salary they provide us. Understood the characteristics of the all of you. If I'll ask you, anybody from the class, you'll answer. Okay, I'll ask now. Anyone?
You carry on, Bacha. It's a seminar. It's not.
Okay, fine. Reasons for VRS. Why VRS is come into existence? First is improve efficiency. Why VRS is come into existence? As there are excess manpower, so efficiency of the persons who are less efficient are cut down from the organization. So, in order to increase the efficiency of the employee as well as in order to increase the efficiency of the organization, the VRS comes into existence. Next is respond to decline in sales and increase in cost. As we all know, why VRS comes into existence, in order to increase our productivity, organization's productivity. So, in order to respond to the decline sales of any organization and the productivity or the increase in cost, they introduce a VRS. Next is reduce overhead cost. As we all we have all learned the CMA. Overhead cost we all know. So in order to reduce all kind of overhead costs, they introduce a VRS. Protect long-term interest of your employees. The long-term interest, the long-term goal of an employees, they want to protect. As usual, if the person is not able to work efficiently, then also they get the VRS. Even though they want the money, the organization give it. So if they want to, along with the organization interest, they also want to protect the interest of the employee. This is one part. Achieve technological advancement that reduce the requirement of the manpower. In order to achievement of the technology, they reduce the manpower. Instead of manpower, they brought the technology. For example, I want to give you an BCCL, that is Bihar Coal Corporation Limited. In that, they first use the manually they all calculates and all. But few years back, in 3-4 years or 5 years back, they make the compulsory to all the employees using computers. Even though they don't know, they'll give a training to them. If anybody wants to leave the organization, they give them a VRS to it, means certain money, and they'll leave the organization. But that is compulsory for all the employees of the organization to use the computer. So, in order to achieve the technological advancement, they use the VRS. Next is restructure the organization. In order to restructure the organization is something using the traditional methods, but nowadays it is a scenario or era of the modern organization. So, in order to restructure their organization, they use the VRS. They cut down the levels and all. Recession in business. As we all aware about the recession of 2000 something. So, in order to overcome with the recession, they use the VRS because they have to cut down the manpowers of the company. Realignment of the business, that is same as restructure of the business organization. Next. Implementation of VRS. Why VRS is implementation? The reason is also transparent and proactive communication. How? The organization should be transparent. They should communicate effectively, and what is true for the organization, they tell them to the employees, so that it comes under implementation of VRS. Next is active exploration of other alternatives. If a person is not able to get or accept the VRS, they should have certain alternative for them. Next is involvement of multiple stakeholders in VRS implementation process. If there is an implementation process, they involve all the stakeholders. As we all know, we are a management student, what the stakeholders means. All employees, all shareholders and all, they involve all the stakeholders in the VRS process. Developing trust among the employees regarding fairness, honesty and commitment. Next. Procedure for VRS. The employer has to issue a circular communicating this decision to offer voluntary retirement scheme, mentioning therein the reason for downsizing. They told them why they downsizing, eligibility, that is who are eligible to apply for the voluntary retirement, the age limit and the minimum service period, employees who can apply, employees who is 40 and above, and those who have completed minimum 10 years of the service in the establishment. Next, the benefits that are offered. What are the benefits? This all includes in the VRS. How VRS is going on. The right of an employer to accept or reject any application for the voluntary retirement. They have the ability, as I told you earlier, that they have the power to accept or reject any of the VRS application form. The date up to which the scheme is open and applications are received for consideration by the employer. If I have told you earlier that there are certain time period for this, for which the scheme is open. Only for that time period, the applications are to be submitted to the employer. The circular may indicate income tax incidence on the voluntary retirement benefits which are in excess of rupees 5 lakh, which is maximum tax-free benefit under such schemes. This is the rupees 5 lakh is the maximum tax-free benefit under such scheme. It should also indicate that those employees who opt for voluntary retirement and accept the benefits under such scheme shall not be eligible in future for employment in the establishment. It means if a person is taken the VRS from the organization, then he is not at all allowed in near future to join that organization again. हाँ? वो दूसरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ज्वाइन कर सकता है, वो दूसरी कर सकता है, बट द सेम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ही इज नॉट एबल टू ज्वाइन.
He cannot join in a full time. Yes, अगर आप उसको सर्विस दे रहे हैं या वो एक्टिवली कहीं पे ज्वाइन नहीं हो सकता. On roll, on register, it is not possible to join on roll or on register. Yes, he can work anywhere, but not.
Government मानो सकता है.
Nowhere. He cannot. Again, I am telling you, even in private, it is not possible. Otherwise, VRS will be cancelled.
As a volunteer, they can provide.
As a volunteer, और उसके he can even get some monetary benefits after that, even though he is earning VRS, but not on roll. I'm doing some consultancy, but I have taken VRS, लेकिन ये on roll नहीं होगा.
Now, steps to be taken for introducing VRS. If the company's public sector undertaking obtain approval of the government, he should have the approval of government to if it is of public sector. If a company is a public sector, identify departments, employees to whom VRS is to be offered. As we are all aware about it now, the target group is aged above 40 years and employees with more than 10 years service in the company. Next is, if there is a union employees in the establishment, involve the union by communicating to them the reasons, the target group and the benefits to be offered to those who opt the scheme. And we all have discussed this, that if a person of union, not only for the union, for the all employees in the organization, that they communicate transparently, honestly, all the benefits, all the things that they may get after taking the VRS. Formulate terms of VRS and benefits to offer are to be mentioned in the circular as communication to employees and decide the period during which the scheme is to be kept open. Now, that is only that communication to the employees for what period of time the scheme is open and why. Motivate the managers through counseling. They counsel the managers and then motivate to take the VRS. Counseling employee is an essential part of implementing the scheme. The counseling should include what the retiree. It all is about telling what is VRS, how it is to be taken, why it is to be taken, and why these targeted employees are to be chosen for the VRS. After receipt of application for accepting VRS, scrutinize decide whose applications are to be accepted and those whose are not to be accepted. After getting all the applications, and finally they scrutinize that whose applications are to be accepted for based on the criteria, based on the valid reason given by the employees or the managers. They scrutinize and they finally decide whose applications are to be accepted and whose applications are to be rejected. Next. For those whose applications are to be accepted, prepare a worksheet showing the benefits each will receive, including other duties like provident fund, gratuity, and earned living wages for the balance, unavailed, earned leave, and tax incidents should be VRS amount exceed rupees 5 lakhs. If the VRS of rupees 5 lakhs exceeded, then the tax is to be on that, but up to 5 lakhs it should not, there should not be any tax, and for this they should prepare a worksheet to whom the VRS are to be given, and to whom and what are the criteria for the VRS and why, and what are the salaries, what are the gratuities, what are the PFs given to them. Next, merits of VRS. Now I would like to ask you all, what are the merits of VRS? Why VRS should be taken or given?
It should be given to get the best productivity from the youth and the young age employees.
Yeah. Next. Anyone?
So it has to employ be security type. If I leave the job, then my son or daughter get the opportunity to work in the same place where I did work. And also the organization get opportunity to generate fresh manpower and loyal people.
Some organization, once you take a VRS, they even offer that place your qualified son or daughter or wife in place of yours in some organization where they are very near connected. That is there. Some organization even, and yes, some people do take VRS to give the job.
Ma'am, in a GP where my dad served in GCSR, JB, TPS college, there are the VRS system.
They have this kind of VRS system. In some organization they do.
If he's
You know what happens that it is very simple to understand that their son and daughter understand the culture. They born and brought up with this idea that okay, इसमें यही होता है, तो they develop the same thing. So training of culture to youth is very difficult, but it is inherent. नहीं ये तो यही करना, जीवी में यही होता है. These are the timings. This is the way to work. This is the work methodology. These are the people. So when a person is having a qualification, they give them the same job. So this is what part. Any other merits of VRS? Yes, sir.
We can terminate the less productive employee, and we can introduce a direct new blood for the same work.
True. Anyone else?
Right now, sir, we person
You can bring a talent in your organization.
It reduces.
Yes.
Many times due to external factors, the excess manpower are there in organization. So at that time, to reduce the manpower and cutting down the cost, that also they are promoting the VRS scheme.
Yes, she said a one word, that is overhead cost. So you can also reduce and cut down what is the excess cost in your own organization.
Okay, great.
And right now a machine can work of 5 person. Then why to employ a 5 person? Why not we just put a machine, a computer? She said no कि पहले manual होता है और अब manual नहीं होता है. Now it's all automation. So that leads to VRS. But very important part, yes.
We can also help us to retain employees for a longer time if we are introducing VRS.
માં પણ એવું હોય કે નવું લઈ આવવું હોય, રિસ્ક લઈ આવવું હોય તો પહેલા આપણા દાદા દાદી છે ના પાડશે. કારણ because they are habituated with one type of system, and to put them and bring them into another way, because it happened to me also. Because when I want to shift my place to Jamshedpur Tata Steel, it was a very big chaos in my house. नहीं होगा, तुमसे नहीं होगा, अलग खाना है, ये है, वो है. But when I did, then the same thing goes into organization, that it is not easy to change. So very important part, Raj said that it reduces down the conflict. You people are ready to change anywhere and ready to take risks, which aged people are not, because they are habituated with 9 to 5 job. 9 जाओ 5 आओ, घर में बैठो और कुछ नहीं. But this is not now a condition, because today some people demands more, some organization demands more. So this is what important part. My point to put. You know, I have many times told you about career plateau. When a person turns into career plateau, now that place is already blocked. ये जगह तो block થઈ ગઈ. I am on my career plateau. What is career plateau? One time, can anyone tell me what is career plateau? One. Anyone else? तो કોણે હા પાડી હતી મેં જ્યારે career plateau પૂછ્યું ત્યારે? Funny. Second, okay. Third.
स्वर
Three
पेटी
people.
में रह गया.
हाँ जी.
स्वर पेटी में रह गया.
स्वर बेटी ने हाँ की.
For a very long period of time, maybe for more than 15 to 20 years or 30 years, one person is on the same place doing same job for a very long period. He might be fed up with the same job, and I mean, there are no chances of growth. Company is not giving opportunity when he is not ready to change.
Okay. Third. A career plateau occurs.
He does not want to come out from his comfort zone.
Okay, very good. A career plateau occurs when a person cannot have a next step to go further. બે વસ્તુ, કાં તો હવે જગ્યા જ નથી ઉપર ચડવાની. Now it's over. CEO. CEO થી મોટી કોઈ post? No. Only one thing, he changed the organization. So when a person reaches to CEO, now it's a career plateau in his life. And second thing, he is in a down level. But at the next level માં jump કરવા માટે he requires more skill. You remember I told you a story about Kathiara and his axe?
Yes.
A wood cutter and his axe. કે જ્યાં સુધી એની axe sharp નહીં હોય ત્યાં સુધી ઘણા કોઈ પણ ઝાડ નહીં કાપી શકે. And day by day the productivity goes down. So once you want to reach to come out of your comfortable zone, what she said, you need to sharpen your skill. And if you don't, you reach to career plateau. She said the same thing, you need to be different, right? Coming back to VRS, when a person reaches to career plateau, that place is blocked.
No legal hurdles in implementing the VRS because of the predominantly encountering retrenchment under the labor laws. As we all learned that it offers to the employee an attractive financial compensation than what is permitted under the retrenchment under the law. It gives a very nice kind of compensation which attracted the employees of the organization. Voluntary nature of the schemes precludes the need in any of the department or any of the division in which the excess manpower is found. In that division or in that department, the VRS are to be counted or can be permitted. It allows overall savings in the employee cost, thus lowering the overall cost. It reduces the employee cost as we encountered or fired the employees, and it lowers, which leads to lowering the overall cost of the organization. These are the merits, and now kinds of demerits. Demerits, to a certain extent, it creates fear, a sense of uncertainty among the employees. It creates at one end it is a demerit, but at the other end it can be a merit of any of the employees. Because if there is a fear, a sense of uncertainty in myself that if I do wrong in my organization, if I am not a more productive person, then the organization will fire me at any time, or it will provide me VRS at any time. So it will increases my productivity, it will increases my ability, it will enhance my skills. So it at one end it is a drawback, but at the other end it is a merit. Sometimes the severance costs are heavy and outweigh the possible gains. Sometimes the cost means the reduction in the employee's cost is so severe that it outweighs the gain.
How it is?
Means ki ma'am, if we reduces more employees, then it will the employees cost will very low, but it means ki gains will be rise out because of it.
What is outweigh the possible gains? Having and outweigh the possible gains. Look, you are losing an experienced person, or even though he is maybe unproductive, but you are losing an asset to your organization. And to get that experience from that young blood will be a difficulty for even any organization. You are now incurring more on training to young blood. You are now encountering with a person who is not knowing you, not knowing your culture, your work pattern, and even the system of the organization. And now for a global focus, you need to start from the scratch. So that is that counts you to on a heavy side.
Next, the third point is trade union generally protest the operation of such schemes and may cause disturbance in normal operation. Means, as we all know, we all aware about the trade unions. At first time, they will never accept the management viewpoints. So they will create disturbance if in such scheme because the organization or the management will cut down the labor. So it will create the disturbance in the normal operations. Next, some of the good, capable and competent employees may also apply for separation, which may cause embarrassment to the management. As ma'am has told us right now only, कि some of the very competent or very eligible person may apply for the VRS, and then the organization will lose that competent or experienced person from the organization. That is all about the demerits. Now the companies using VRS, Tata Group. As in one of the case study I have learned that in the year something about 19 something 20 or something, there is excess manpower of 36,000 person, but what Tata has done is they are not introducing the VRS, but they have introducing a new scheme called VSS, voluntary separation scheme.
Voluntarily?
Separation scheme. It is just same as the VRS, but in VRS we are providing certain kind of other benefits like PFs and all, as we have learned earlier. But in VSS they only provides the
Lump sum amount.
the salaries. So it is used in the Tata Group also. Ashok Leyland as
You must have heard recently that Tata Motors CEO made with a suicide, he committed suicide. Car, K-A-R-L, car. He has પોતે ચડી ગયા હતા ઉપર એની વિન્ડોમાં અને ઉપરની વિન્ડોમાંથી so the 7th floor he has just jumped there. Before he died, અને જ્યારે એના 2 દિવસ પહેલા he has just introduced VRS scheme in Tata Motors. CEO of Tata Motors in India. Car, K-A-R, he committed suicide. This month and December, January, in 2014 January, he committed suicide.
next company is Ashok Leyland. If we go to the recent news, the Ashok Leyland has started the scheme of VRS and fired something about 500 employees from their organization because of the excess manpower in the organization. Next is, as we all know, that is it is the emergence from the SBI. So SBI is the next organization in which VRS is introduced. And next is Goa Tourism Development Corporation. In September, the Goa GTDC has introduced a VRS scheme, and it has fired the many employees from their organization. That's all for the companies, and that's all.
Air India in May 2014 has announced about VRS system. They are going to cut down the cost and they want to work out on the low overhead cost. So May 2014, Air India is starting with a VRS at all levels, starting from the senior to the bottom. Pilots, air hostess. Air hostess are very aged to Air India. You know that. You must have travelled from Air India, or you must just be knowing about it. They are not less than around 45-50 years of air hostess. They are very aged ladies over there. So to add young blood, very attractive air hostess, they have started. They are going to start VRS in May 2014. I sent you the complete VRS blog. Yesterday I sent one mail. You must have read it about performance appraisal. And today also I will send something on VRS and some case studies, small case studies, one liner, two liner, so that you can understand about this VRS system. Friends, if you have any question, you can ask over here. Stakeholders always want we are just interested in the last